Hello, hi, good to see you. How are you? Yeah, hi, Shruti. Hello, yeah. Hello, Mr. Chandrasekhar Rao. Yes, hi, Hari. Very good evening. Alex, very good evening, Alex. Hi, Vikash. Hi, Vasuja. Hi, Rajesh. Hi, Divya. Very good evening, Divya. Shekhar, hey, very good evening. Long time. Yeah, very good evening, Padmini. Yeah, Joel, very good evening. Looks like people have been waiting, for this training for a long time. Okay, very nice, connecting with you all. Dheeraj, very good evening, yeah, after a long time. Good. Praveen, hi, Praveen. Kaushik, yeah. Oh, wow, 700 plus viewers. Okay, very nice. Maria, very good evening. Virender, yeah, Gautam, Shashipal, Chitra, Saif. Hey, everybody is my student. Most of them are my students, and I love to call them by name. So you will have to bear with me. Hey, Abby, very good. Ajay, hey, yeah. Shashipal, yes, Manan, yes. Finally, yeah. Yes, thank you very much. Yeah, October 17th, the extended filing tax season completed. And yes, it is definitely, joy to see you all. Is my voice clear? Is my voice clear to each one of you? Yeah, right, very nice. Marshi, yeah, hi. Oh, Rajesh, I keep coming live. Only thing that I just got busy with my other works. I couldn't come live. Yeah, thank you very much. Good to see you. Wow, nice. Very good. Subramanya Kaushik, very nice. So you have made a very wise decision, of enrolling for EA. Very nice. Very good. Yeah. I'm doing good. Yeah. Yes. I'm doing good. Yes. Very nice. Fine. Yes. Very good, Kanishka. Okay. Fine. I hope you're doing well and people are coming in. Okay. So my greetings to each one of you. Thank you for joining in today. And I welcome my team also. I welcome all my dear students and also clients who are my students also into this session. It is such a joy to see you all in this session. So happy to see each one of you. Very nice, very good. Yeah. Good. Very nice. Good. Keep coming. Yeah. Keep coming and share the link in all the groups, in the student groups, in the Facebook groups, and yes. We all just completed the extended filing tax season, so good. Okay, fine. Okay, so I'll get started. So I'm sure that most of you know what real-time training is all about. Okay, so I'll just bring this up to you. So this is me. I'm Nanda Kumar, founder and CEO of iLead Tax Group. And as most of you know, I have two passions. One is teaching and the other one is serving, which is into practice. So by profession, I am a practitioner, but by passion, I'm a teacher. And it's such a joy, to see students passing. When you go to Facebook page and see the photos section, you are loaded with testimonies. The students love and all. So kind of amazes me every time. So many testimonies, coming in from students. Just take a look at iLead Tax Academy Facebook page, and especially if you go to photos section, I've added some of the WhatsApp chats, because it's nothing but true love of the students, and I'm truly overwhelmed by that, and so happy that they let me know after they pass also. So I'll just paste that link in the comment section here, so that you can access that. Yeah. Okay, so this is a live show, people. Okay, so it's not a recorded session. Okay, so it's a live show, and you will see the link popping in. We are live currently on YouTube and then Facebook also. Yeah, keep coming in. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Wow, we have 400 plus people on YouTube, 422, and then 333, fancy number, on Facebook. Very nice, very nice. Such a joy to see, So today I was just discussing with some of my team members, because I hail from Nanda is famous, during this time. So we came up with an acronym, CTC, So chai time chat. Okay, so in Telugu we say chai time chaitanyam. So CTC. So I look forward to have more CTCs with you, so that your CTC increases. Okay, so somebody type that in the comment section. CTC, chai time chat, then chai time chaitanyam. Okay, so CTC. So I look forward to connecting with you almost every day going forward, at least during the weekdays or so, between 4 to 6, 4 to 5, or at least 1 hour, every day, so that it will be good for you also, and it'll be good. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Very nice. Keep coming in. Okay. Fine. So foremost, what is your understanding? What do you know about? Yeah. Yes, Alex. Yeah, chai time chaitanyam. Yes. Right. And chai time chat. Okay, for those of you who do not know, Telugu, it is you consider it as chai time chat, so that your CTC goes up. Yeah. Thank you, Joel. Yes. Okay, fine. So, what is your understanding of RTP? What do you mean by RTP? What do you mean by RTP? Hello, hi. Hello. Hi. Yes. Yeah. What do you think, is RTP? You see this little stamp here? Yeah, this side. Yeah, this side. Yes. Yeah. What do you think, he is? What is your understanding? What is RTP? What is RTP? Oh no. Not CA students. No. No. Not that. Bully. What is RTP? What is RTP? Is the streaming slow? Yes. Good. Yeah, the streaming, may take some time, because I am live. Yeah. As you see, it is real-time tax preparation training. It's real. Wow, very nice. Okay, so streaming was slow. Yeah, very good. Kuhu, very good. Saujanya, very good. Maria. Right. Okay, so real-time tax preparation training. So this is what RTP is all about. Okay. So what I will do is, I'll just try to make a document wherein we will capture all the questions, okay, as and when it is coming in, and then we will try to revisit that, okay, and we will take the questions from the audience also. Just give me a moment. Let me just pull out my OneNote document. Okay. Yes, Manan. Very good. it is real-time tax preparation of US taxes, right? Yes, Joel Praveen, very good. Yes. Hmm. Hmm. Different way of saying it. Yes, getting practical knowledge in USA tax preparation. Very good, Chitra. Yes. Okay. Now, do you think this training is really needed? I mean, do you need this real-time tax preparation training? I mean, if you study EA, don't you think it is enough? Should you know how to prepare tax returns? If so, why? Please comment. Why is RTP important? That's my question. Why? Why is RTP important? Tell me that. Why is RTP? Why is RTP important? Okay, for getting practical knowledge in US taxation, right? Good. Okay, very nice. See, I want this session to be little interactive, okay, so that it is not boring for you and boring for me also, okay. Yeah, so yes, sir, it is very needful, okay, very good. Chitra says yes, okay, must, okay. Vijay says practical knowledge will give clarity on the concept studied in EA, very good, yeah. Alex says, yeah, practical knowledge, yeah. We can get more knowledge and experience in practical, okay, very nice, very nice. Putting what we studied into practice. Very nice. Very good. Awesome. Awesome. Now, what do you think, you must be learning? According to you, what are the things, that you must be learning in real-time preparation? What you must be learning? Learning the real-time experience of US tax while studying. Very nice. Make it interactive. Yeah, give me your next 1 hour, please. Is my voice clear? Cool. Yeah, give me your next 1 hour, please. Good. Okay, Maharshi says learning the real-time experience of US tax while studying. Okay. Chitra says it's difference between fresher and experienced one. Okay. Very nice. Peres says because getting practical knowledge and help exam and job. Right. That's very important because now you see when every day you are seeing that somebody or the other is passing the examination. Praise God. Thanks to my team and thanks to all the efforts of the students also. They are able to pass the examination. Now, see, once you pass the examination, now not every company has that patience to teach, and not every manager is so good that he will have the patience to sit with you and then teach you everything. Okay, now here also I am not saying that we are going to teach you everything. But I think we can comprise of. We can try to cover so many things. What is the date today? October 20. And what is the day today? Yeah, Thursday. Very nice. Just a second. Are you able to see this? Yeah, dekho bhaiya. Yeah, acha. Okay, right. So, what is RTP? Some of the questions, okay, we will try to take up. Okay, why is RTP? What is RTP? You mentioned. Okay, now why is RTP important? You're giving it. Okay, experience. It gets valued a lot. Yeah, software know-how. Yeah, needed because at SE examination. What is that? At SE examination time, whenever question pop up with practical knowledge, then due to RTP only we will get the clear picture of the form which we practiced at the time of RTP. Right, very nice. So Manan is a chartered accountant. So because I also hail from the same fraternity. Now, when we are doing CA, we have something called as articleship. Okay, so wherein they say that I've spent 3 years in hell and all. Okay, so similarly, now I'm not saying you should be spending time in hell and all. What I'm trying to say is you should have that real-time practical experience, which is currently not available. So with that in mind, I happen to launch internship also, and good that many people have joined the internship program also. But for those of them who are already in employment and who want to learn something new and all, these things will take some time, okay, to understand and all. So at least that if you are spending time with somebody like us who can walk you through the the questions and all, the case studies, explain like what somebody said, applying the theoretical knowledge practically. So this will really help you a lot. So similarly, like how CAs who do proper articleship and try to learn most of the things at work. Similarly, I have come up with something called as internship also, and also real-time tax preparation, wherein you will be learning about every form that is important. Okay, I can say at intermediate level we will be teaching you, not basic but intermediate level, which will make you job ready. Okay, and I'll tell you in a while what all we are going to learn in tax preparation. So as we said, it's a chai time chat. Okay, so make sure you have your chai or your coffee, whatever is the drink. I also have something with me. Okay, and I'll also keep sipping in between. Yeah. Fine. Okay, so with that in mind, we have launched the RTP. Okay, yeah, preparation of federal tax return. Yeah, why is RTP important? Because you get the experience of real work. Yes, very nice. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Transmission of knowledge into practice. Yes, very good. Hands-on experience. Yes, very good. Yeah. Good evening. Yes, this is a very important point. Nayab has mentioned this, very important point, because before joining a job, we can get more practical knowledge than we get more job opportunities and more salaries. Because now what is happening is, just in iLead there is so much competition now. I'm sure some of you must have noticed the difference in placement, compensation and all. So people with RTP or people with preparation experience, they get paid little more than freshers. So it is very strongly advisable that you learn preparation, even if you are if you are already working in a Big 4, Big 10, or in a CPA accounting firm or any tax firm wherein you are getting an opportunity to learn. Don't miss it. Okay, we are just creating that awareness about RTP, that it is important, because I have seen even some CPAs. There are CPAs who have cleared it in the very first attempt, but they do not know how to prepare the tax return. So those kind of challenges you can overcome when you are learning RTP, this real-time preparation. Yes. Yeah, I hope the voice is audible. Very good. Very good. Okay, cool. Right. Then, yeah. Chitra says, yeah, transmission, clarification to client, understanding how the software works for filing returns. Very good. Right. Real-time preparation increases knowledge of real-time consequences. What do you mean by real-time consequences? You mean, it increases your ability to handle real-time circumstances. That's what I understand. Yeah, hello. Okay. What is this? I didn't understand. Okay, cool, fine. Okay. Yeah, okay, so what is RTP? So why is RTP important? Okay, now let's understand, what do we learn in RTP? What do we learn in RTP? Okay, now when we come to RTP, okay, so here, this is basically, on US tax returns only. Okay, what is RTP on USA tax return preparation? Okay, now what do we learn in RTP? We learn US individual tax return preparation. Okay, then USA business tax return preparation, and we learn about USA non-profit. Not many come for this non-profit organization tax return preparation. Okay, now we also have bookkeeping, which most of you know. Okay, and then we also offer payroll courses. Okay, now for this you can refer to FBC. For this you can refer to QBO, QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor training. Okay, so all this is taken care of there. But these three, this also like NPO, non-profit organization, this is also a separate topic. See, in case you lose my volume somewhere, please ping me. Okay. I'm not that active on WhatsApp, but in case you see any challenge, please ping me on WhatsApp. Okay. I hope you have my WhatsApp number also. And okay, anyways, okay, so you get to learn about payroll also. And when it comes to individual tax return, what all are important? You can go type in. Okay, I will also type in here. Okay, so we'll be learning about form 1040. Okay, then form 1040 NR. Okay, now here the team wanted it to divide it between US citizens and residents. Okay, and the next one is US non-citizens, means like non-residents you can say better, non-residents. Okay, then amendments and compliance. Okay, so this is how the team wanted it, or most likely it may share you the curriculum also. I'm just sharing you these points here, so that you get a rough picture of how things are going to be. Right. Okay, so here you will get to learn about form 1040, form 1040 SR. Okay, now see, you will be able to understand this RTP stuff better if you are somebody who is studying regulation in CPA, or who is already an enrolled agent or something like that, or who is studying for the enrolled agent course. So now when it comes to US non-residents, we teach form 1040 NR, then form 1040 X. Okay, of course all the income, like I call it as iLead. Okay, iLead documents means your income documents, your liability documents, your expense documents, your assets, and then your debts. Okay, you call it as director's equity. Okay, iLead. Okay, documents, I mean like your 1099R, all the income documents that we have studied, that will also be taken care of, all your income documents. Like when you say, income documents, I refer to W2, your 1099 INT, 1099 DIV, 1099R, 1099G. Okay. Now I don't want to scare the people. Many forms, that you have to learn and all. So I'm not going to do that. Okay. So I'm not going to scare you with list of source documents and all. Like even when you see, liability and expenses and all, you have these itemized deduction documents. Then expenses, you have your business income expenses. I mean, your schedule C if you're somebody on 1099, any assets that you're purchasing, and then any loans that you have taken, how do you handle that and all that. Fine. So I call it as iLead. Okay. So income, expenses are covered, liabilities, assets are covered, and any other short-term debts. Okay. Like your credit card payments and things like that. Okay. So iLead documents are covered there. And then in compliance we do this ITIN, then FPAR, FATCA. Okay, so team, you can just let me know, in case I'm missing something. Okay, so 1040 SR. I mean, these are all categories. Okay, so here it will be covered. Okay, non-residents, these things will be covered. Okay, and of course, you need not worry about the schedules. Okay, relevant schedules, whatever are the schedules, worksheets. I mean, tax forms. Small tax forms. Whatever forms you get, credit forms. For child tax credit, additional child tax credit, education credit, child independent credit, small tax, credit forms. All those things, they get covered. Okay. I mean, you will be able to prepare, a proper individual tax return for a citizen or a US resident. Okay. So that will be taken care of, and same thing, follows here also. Schedules, worksheets there and here also. Okay. So this is about US individual tax return preparation. We are not going in much depth, but I have just, trying to make you understand that these are the things that are covered. And when it comes to business tax return preparation, when it comes to business tax return preparation, you will be learning about independent contractors who are on 1099. Okay, so you will be learning Schedule C preparation there. Okay, Schedule C tax return preparation there, and then you have LLC tax returns. Okay, now here you have single member LLC. Or multiple member LLC. Okay, so here you will be learning about how the income flows from Schedule C into Form 1040 or Form 1065 through Schedule then Schedule C, Schedule E, all these things. Now all that rental income, royalty income, and all that, when I'm saying, income, it covers all income that you see on 1040. Okay, so similarly here also, all these things are covered. LLC tax returns, and then you have these. I mean, when you say multiple member, it is also partnership tax returns. If you want it separately, you can have it as partnership tax returns. Form 1065. You should watch this video. Okay. S Corp tax returns, Form 1120, yes. Okay, and then C Corp tax return, Form 1120, and then compliance forms. Okay, you have this Form 5471, 5472, 8621. Chota, other forms that will be taken care of. Okay. So this is on the US business tax return preparation. Okay. Actually, independent contractors, LLC, single member LLC should be one return, I would say. Schedule K1. self-employment tax. I'm just making some rough notes so that you understand what we are going to learn here. Okay, so U.S. citizens, resident aliens, non-resident aliens. Think of any income. Sir, pension, yes, pension. Sir, capital gains, okay, yes. Cryptocurrencies, yes, okay. So all those income, okay, liabilities, all those things, and then business tax preparation. So these are the things that is covered. Okay. And when it comes to non-profit organizations, we teach Form 990 series that comes up, and at 706, if that is needed, 706, 706. These are all some special topics, estate tax return and all. So the charges may also be different for that. Okay, so mostly people won't go for this one, but if you want, we can definitely explore those options also. And for learning, doing the client's bookkeeping and all, I encourage you to do QuickBooks online accounting. QuickBooks online accounting training, it will be very good for you. You can also get some freelance opportunities also. And for payroll, I encourage you to do FPC. Good that we are tying up with certain companies. For even FPCA, we have been doing it. Every time we have been doing it. Now FPC also, people are coming forward. Very, very good. And if your company, is looking for any trainers, on any of these topics, also you can definitely recommend us. I think we will be very, very helpful to them. Okay, fine. I think. I will continue to include what all comes in. Okay, and I'll be open for questions now. Yeah, team can ask me questions, people can ask me questions. Go ahead, if you have any questions, please shoot up. Cool. Okay. Okay, you started off with fees. Okay, fine. See, you should always, anytime you are investing in education, you must call it as investment. Okay. Now this is not a sales term. Yes, of course it is fees, but it is an investment. Okay. So what is the investment? I think rather than saying it here, because this video will be live and it will be on all the social media platforms. Okay, so based on the category of programs, the fees will keep changing. Okay, and there will be monthly offers also. So I cannot tell at this moment, what is the exact fees. But if you are already in touch with your enrollment advisor, please do get in touch with them. And also, you must be following their WhatsApp status or my WhatsApp status. That's my number, 994-957-9091. Okay, if you are from outside of US, please make sure that you add that +91. Okay, and it will be addressed accordingly. Fine. So fees, you please WhatsApp to that number or get in touch with your enrollment advisor. They will share the brochure about the real-time tax preparation training, and it will be taken care of. Okay. So whatever questions we are getting, I'm going to type here. So what is the fees for RTP was covered. Okay, so please get in touch with your enrollment advisor, or you can WhatsApp me, and it will be taken care of. Okay. Now, who can enroll for this RTP? Is there any eligibility criteria? Okay, good question. Okay. Now, see, when it comes to eligibility criteria, there's nothing as such. If you are somebody who is into learning, enrolled agent training at iLead, especially, you are welcome to learn this RTP. It will be definitely helpful. And I also have some chartered accountants and CPAs who have come forward and said, Ms. Nanda, we are already CPAs, so we don't think we have to study regulation again. But you are very right. You are very, very right. But the way we go is, we go very, very elementary. I go very, very elementary. So if you go to YouTube and type iLead Tax Academy demo class, it is really very elementary. So I start from the scratch, and probably I'm the only person on planet Earth who talks about US topography, types of visas, and all that, how the things go. So we go very elementary. So I very strongly encourage that you first complete your theoretical training and then come for real-time practical training. Okay. So when you ask me, what is the eligibility criteria, I would only say that the eligibility criteria is you have to be a student of iLead, and make sure that you have completed the theoretical training, because without completing the theoretical training, it will be difficult for you to complete the RTP. Okay. And anybody who is at least 18 plus years, they can always become an enrolled agent. It has got nothing to do with your current education and all. I'm sure most of you are aware about it. And if you want me to share some information about EA, let me just bring that up. I can share a little information about EA also for those of you who are watching it for the very first time, who are not into US taxation and all. Probably I can just give you a snapshot of how this works. Just a moment. Yeah, we have got a lot of questions. Okay. I'm just putting it in this document so that in case you don't have the patience to watch the video completely, you can at least quickly flip through that. Let me get you this. Okay, so this was a very old creative that was made by my team. So I'll just bring this up to give you. So enrolled agent is the highest tax credential in the USA, and it's awarded by the US Department of Treasury. Okay, for those of you who do not know about this, okay, just a little backdrop. It can be completed sooner than CPA, CMA or CFA. Yeah, months can also be lesser than that. Like the federal license to practice in all 50 states, that CPA is a state license. Then EA is the soonest and simplest USA tax or financial education. 69% pass rate. This was 2 years ago creative. Okay, now it is more than that. So much more than that. Right. Then EA is less expensive than CPA, CMA, CFA, or other international finance education. You can definitely bet on that. So that's why when people ask me, sir, which course is better, all that I say is do a tie analysis. What is the time it takes, what is the investment you have to make, and what are the earnings you get. Okay, somebody type tie and type time, investment, earnings in the comment section. Okay, so that others can also go back and visit. So whenever you are investing into education, always look into this. What is the time that is going to take? Don't ask about the investment, ask about the time, and ask about the earnings that you are going to get. Okay, now next, EA is another career option for students who couldn't complete CA or CWA or CS. Yes, for those people who could not get through their CA, CWA or CS, I think you should definitely consider EA, because it is easy always, employment assured, and earnings always. Okay, then EA can increase your earning opportunities and help you climb the organization ladder. EA is fastest to US tax or accounting education to get into Big Four or US tax and accounting firms. You can just do a dry run, just put in your CV, completed enrolled agent licensed training, with real-time tax preparation training from iLead Tax Academy, and let me know if you don't receive any calls in 1 week. Especially this time, October to December, in 1 week's time, if you don't receive a call, let me know. Okay, because US taxation hiring is on full spree. We have to place the candidates, all 3 digits, 4-digit numbers, we keep getting, but I don't feel ashamed to say, but we are really falling short of numbers. Okay, because people lack that awareness about EA still, and people who are already experienced or educated are not available. Okay, I'm sure people who are watching that also will be able to testify that that this is how it is going to be. And he has an opportunity to serve. I think the population has increased. This was like 2 years ago. 350 million might be population now. And it can also help dependent visa holders to make additional income on EAD. So if you're somebody in US, okay, and if you are looking at making some extra income, as a tax consultant or a bookkeeper or as a payroll consultant, I think these are our courses, which you must definitely consider. And EA with relevant experience can relate your employer petition for your H1B also. Okay, so if you have a good attorney, even this thing can be taken care of. Okay, just to cut the long story short, so EA, just like how we have CA in India, similarly you have in US something called as EA or CPA. Okay, now CPA, they study accounts, auditing, and business organization also, economics also, and of course regulation, which is taxes. But here in EA, you study only taxes, but in depth. 3 papers are there in EA: individual taxes, business taxes, and then tax representation. All are multiple choice questions, very easy to get through. Just obey your teacher and try to do what he or she is trying to say. That's it. Give yourself those 200-300 hours and you will get through the examination. Okay, and if you can supplement that, see, when you're going for gym, what do? You will supplement yourself with the right meal. Okay, it's not just exercise that can reduce your body weight. It is the right meal. So it is what goes inside is what makes you more healthy. Okay, so just like that, RTP is also a very important supplement for your EA. Okay, I hope I have given you a decent information about EA. Okay. Let's take up the next question. Okay, how do you teach this, offline or online? Please let me know. Okay, so now. Okay. See, since we have students from 20 plus countries, okay, and different time zones exist, so it becomes practically difficult for us to teach offline. So offline is a big no. Okay, say that offline is a big no, because I'll be depriving my other students who are not in Hyderabad or who cannot come and study in this particular time frame, from that personal touch or that personal experience, face-to-face conversation. Yeah, in case you want to come see me, please schedule a call, with our enrollment advisor, get an appointment, and we can always connect. And even on Zoom call, we can connect. We can connect even on WhatsApp. I may take time to reply because I run two businesses and I have a family also, to take care of with two beautiful daughters. So I have my own responsibilities to do. So just in case I don't respond on time, you can always reach my office and they will help you connect to me. Okay, fine. So as of now, Hari, it is going to be only offline, only online and no offline. Okay, so tell your neighbor no offline class. Okay. No offline class, or type no offline class. Right. Okay, yeah. Silva. What salary pay will any EA get by taking RTP? Yeah, let me rephrase this question, Silva. Okay, so what is the compensation for EA and EA with RTP? Okay, let me rephrase it in this way. Okay, now, as of now, if you see in the market, the current pay scale that is running for a fresher, just fresher with the EA, is 5 to 6 lakhs. This is minimum what I'm talking about. Okay, now if the person's communication is not so good, okay, because I have students from Marathi medium, Tamil medium, Telugu medium, Hindi medium, Bengali medium, who come from very remote places of India also. Their communication is not so good. Now, I cannot completely comment on their pay structure, but it should not be less than 5 lakhs for them also. I'm just talking about a fresher. Okay. Now, because now the demand is more for people with experience. So my personal experience, because we keep placing the candidates also into companies and all, the people who have RTP experience, these are the people, RTP knowledge or RTP real-time tax preparation experience. So these are the people, who will get placed very soon. Okay, so I suggest that they can very easily get into 6-digit bracket. So today morning, I was talking to one girl and she asked me, sir, can I get into 6-digit package with RTP? Yes, definitely you will. It depends on what type of company you are working for, what type of clients you are serving. It depends on what is your average billing size, of average ticket of the every file that is being processed in your company, and also it depends on how many years of experience that you have. Yes, I have seen people with 3+ years experience also make 6 digits, especially in corporate taxes and all, very good amounts. Okay, so compensation, I think there's no limit for that. As I told you earlier also, when I was 30 years old, I paid 40 lakhs in income tax and received a gold income tax certificate from Ayakar Bhavan for being the youngest taxpayer in my industry in that age. So that was my tax. 40 lakhs was the income tax that I paid. Okay, I'm telling this on social media. Okay, I hope that clarifies, Silva. Compensation will be taken care of. Okay, it depends on company. Okay, now which tax software do you train? Okay. See, I'm writing questions here so that you can always flip through and check if we covered that question. Okay, so before you ask me any question, just check if this was covered. Okay, my voice is going good. Yeah. Okay. What tax software do you train? Okay, see, this year now we are planning to start this training from tomorrow only. Okay, and the live, those recorded sessions will be made available in the portal. And the good news now is that you have iLead Tax Academy student portal also. Okay, so if you go to our website, you can create a free account and get access to the student portal. Okay, let me just get you there. Can you just go to iLeadTaxAcademy.in? Okay, India. Hope I'm not boring you. It's important because once you learn real time, same, this is what you're going to do. Yeah, some new case comes, some complex case comes. Yeah, that is a different scenario, but important because even after you become your real time, your work is going to be the same only. Okay, people are pinging me on WhatsApp. By chance, please wait. Okay, so please go to iLeadTaxAcademy.in and you will be able to see the student portal and all there. Now, if you go to iLead Tax Academy, okay, I think the streaming has consumed a lot of my internet. Okay, so you have the student portal here. Okay, are you able to see this? You will be able to see the student portal. You have this buy now tab also. Whatever course you want to buy, you can buy. If you're already in touch with your enrollment advisor, speak to them. And also the different courses that we offer, it is also mentioned here. Okay, so take a look at our website also. Okay. So coming back to your question, Padmini, okay, so what tax software do you train? So currently we are training on Drake. Okay, Drake is a very famous tax return software in the US. You go to Google and type Drake tax software. Drake tax software. You will be able to see the Drake tax software there. Okay, so this is what is Drake tax software. Okay, if you go into this, you'll be able to see that. Okay. And we are also planning to train people on CCH Access. We initially thought of Go systems, but many companies are now currently using CCH Access, and it is very easy to use. People have mixed reviews. Some feel Go systems is much better than CCH Access, and many opine CCH Access, like Big Four and all, they use CCH Access. Of course, some medium-sized organizations, they do use UltraTax and Drake and Intuit ProConnect also. But as of now, we have received a requirement for CCH Access for one of iLead organizations. Okay, so we would be training people on CCH Access also soon. But again, CCH Access not everyone can afford unless you are working for a big company. So this is Drake tax software, so you can take a look at that. Okay, and we will be teaching you how to prepare tax returns on Drake. So you can just go through the website. You can see their products also, and you need not buy Drake. Okay, you need not buy Drake. We will help you how to download download a demo tax software on your laptop, so you can download that, and then we will explain you form by form how each form is incorporated, and then finally we give you some case studies to work on, and then once you complete it, you will be real-time iLead certified real-time tax preparer in the industry. Yeah, we can call you as real-time tax preparer, iLead certified real-time tax preparer. Okay, so there will be some assessments done, because it is not that you have enrolled, you have paid the fees, and then we give you the certificate. Okay, so it's not going to be like that. You have to complete the training, and you have to pass necessary assessment tests that is conducted by the team. Only then we can certify you as a real-time tax preparer. Otherwise, you can just buy the training, do the course yourself. Okay? If you don't want the certificate, that is purely your decision. Okay. Next, let's take the next question. The next question. Okay, what is the duration of the course, sir? Okay, Tanisha. Okay, now course duration, you can expect for individual taxation, you can expect anywhere between 35 to 50 hours. 35 to 50 hours. It may complete soon also, but it depends. So every day we are planning 1.5 hour session, 90-minute session, or 2 hour session. See, just a simple live lecture itself, with 430 people watching on YouTube. This is how it is going. So obviously, the live classes, when we are taking in, it will be more interactive. It will be more explanatory. Okay, so people who cannot attend the live sessions and all, they can at least join us later. They can watch the video and then WhatsApp us or schedule a Zoom call for us or with the team to understand better. So roughly you can say 40 to 50 hours per part. Okay, so for individual taxation, some 40 plus hours. For business taxation, some 40 plus hours. So 80 to 100 hours is what I feel the training duration will be. Next. Okay, is there any age limit? Okay, fine. I think somebody asked what is the eligibility criteria, right? Okay. See, there's no age limit as such, Vasuja. So if you are studying for EA, I think you can definitely enroll for RTP, because having theoretical knowledge and then practical knowledge, it will definitely help you. So if you are 18 plus years, you can definitely write EA, and we have students from 18 to 72 years of age. So there is no particular eligibility criteria as such, because we have even from science, engineering, technology, biotechnology, even a physiotherapist is our student. Okay, so there's no eligibility criteria as such. Only thing, if you are eligible to appear for EA, Enrolled Agent License examination, which is special enrollment examination, you are very much eligible to do this training also. Yeah. Does RTP help in freelancing or consulting opportunity? Wonderful. Okay, wonderful question. Now, see, most of the chartered accountants, who are my students and who are part of iLead. Now, these people, they learn US taxation with an intent to get into US tax practice also. Every week I get to meet, at least 2 to 3 chartered accountants, who come forward, who want to learn this US taxation also. And they feel, EA is easiest, which obviously is. You need not study accounts auditing as you do in CPA. It is just one paper, one license, and it makes you, qualified. So, and freelancing or consulting opportunities, especially housewives, I think you can definitely do EA, and I think there's a QuickBooks offer that is going on, Thanksgiving offer. You get QuickBooks for free. I don't know, when you are watching this video, if it is not available, I am not responsible for it. As far as I know, currently, I think there's an offer that's happening wherein they offer QuickBooks online training for free. Okay. So, learning QuickBooks, getting that EA license, and knowing how to prepare taxes, I think you can very much get the work outsourced or work as a freelancer with CPA firms or company like us also. Like as I said, I have 2 businesses, iLead Tax Academy and then iLead Tax LLC, and I can also help you, with freelancing and consulting opportunities if you can really display that proficiency and excellence, in your subject. So yes, freelancing and consulting opportunities is also. I think I addressed this, Piyush. Duration and fees. For fees, please ping your enrollment advisor or WhatsApp here. Okay, we will get you in touch. Validity of course. What do you mean by validity of course? Do you mean to say, okay, this is not a government certified course, okay? Okay, this is not a government certified course, so I am teaching it in my own capacity, okay? So as a teacher, I am teaching this. Of course, the enrolled agent license that you get it, from the US government Internal Revenue Service. Or in case your question was like, how long is this course available for access once I enroll? Yeah, it is like 1 year. Okay, so 1 year from the time you enroll, only for that period, you will have access to these courses. After that, it won't be available. Okay, then again you have to enroll afresh. Hope this clarifies. Okay, for 1065 or 1120s, do you cover accounting also? Yes. Bookkeeping we do teach, and we help you arrive at QuickBooks. Arrive at the final accounts, final statements, like trial balance, P&L account, balance sheet, and then how you flow in those items into the tax software, to prepare your schedule M1, M2, M3, and all. Your schedule K, J, and all that also will be taken off. So what were our other question? How long is the course valid after enrollment? I'll just rephrase it like that, and then do we have accounting exercises also for form 1065 and the form 1120? Okay. So if you are getting some raw bank statements or credit card statements from the client, and you want to prepare their tax returns, yeah, you can definitely key in those crunch those bank statements or credit card statement numbers and put them into the accounting software, and it will definitely generate you the financial statements, and from there you can definitely prepare the tax return. Okay, Karthik. Okay, I have seen students passing, but I haven't seen any placement on the website. Why would we put placement of where a person is working? Not needed. Not needed. If you pass EA from iLead, and in case you are unemployed, even after 30 days or max 45 days, please let us know. Just with EA, okay? So we don't publish where a person is working, okay? And we don't want to display with who all companies we are associated with, okay? So we have our own business reasons, Pawan. Yeah, I hope you understand. Yeah, that's why I share all our my WhatsApp chats. WhatsApp chats. I take the screenshot and then put it in the Facebook. My team puts it in the Facebook, so that people know that yeah, it is real. Okay, so it has RTP help CAs launch US tax bracket. Right. Yeah. Yes. Yes, Divya. It does help, as I said a while ago, they can do Indian taxation and they can do US taxation also. So EA with real-time preparation knowledge and QuickBooks accounting, it will definitely be a blessing. It will definitely help. Can we get job or internship opportunity after RTP courses? Yes, of course. Yes. Once you complete the training successfully, you pass our RTP assessment tests, we will definitely help you. Yeah. What is the duration? I think I told you 40 to 50 hours for each part. For individuals, 40 to 50 hours. For businesses, 40 to 50 hours. It may go up and down by 10 hours. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Okay. Can't we learn RTP directly without EA? What do you think would be the answer? Can't we learn RTP directly without EA. Okay, so it's like my brain becomes nasty. Yeah, you have to first learn the driving inside, गली में पहले चलाना, then जाके road पे चलाना. Okay, so first you learn the theory properly. First you understand the concept well. Once you understand the concept, then you have to implement the training. Because in RTP also, though we will be working on software, seeing some forms and then dumping those numbers there, we should know why we are doing what we are doing. I think I told this even in the class. Why we are doing what we are doing. Why? There has to be a end outcome, right? Today I was talking to my team and we came up with some words, who, when, where, what, which, whose, whom, how, a can, and things like a would and all this. So some 9 to 10, questions we came up with. I mean, anything that we are doing, we should understand why we are doing what we are doing. Even now this video, why you have to watch this stupid video? It's been going on for last 1 hour 16 minutes. Why are we watching this? Because we want to know. Because we want to work in this area. Because we are seeing money in this area. There are jobs in this area. There is a practice opportunity in this area. That's why. If you want to set up your own tax firm also, you have to know how to prepare a tax return. Because without knowing how to prepare a tax return, what are you going to do? Okay. So by Alex, theory is important. So first learn theory and then do your practicals. And some students, they also ask, sir, can I do this simultaneously? Yes, after some exercises you can do it. But if you are enrolling together, I think there are some combo offers which enrollment and placement advisors will be able to guide you on. Okay, so speak to them. I think they'll be the right judge, to guide you on those aspects. So I suggest. No, you cannot go directly RTP without EA. At iLead, this is how we are doing it. Even if you are learning from elsewhere, I don't know if there is anybody else who is teaching it, because we are the first one to launch this in India. Maybe, leaders always leave a legacy behind. People may imitate and they may also initiate. Okay, so good luck to all of them. But here at iLead, I very strongly urge that your theory strong, because when people say, hey, I use that material, this material, I mean, every service provider, they do their best and they want their students to qualify, pass. I mean, who will run a business very substandardly? Why would they do that? Yeah, they can anyways run some other business, right? But every teacher, even if there's an academy who is running on a commercial aspect, there's a heart of a teacher that the student should always prosper, and every teacher does his or her best to ensure that his student gets the best. Again, each teacher has his or her own resource limitation, then knowledge limitation, the connections limitation, placement limitations. Yeah. So some may fall short, in some areas, but everybody, they do their best. So my strong advice to you would be that wherever you're studying your EA from, have confidence in them. I mean, without trust, no relationship exists. What do you say? Without trust, no relationship exists. So if you're not trusting what you are doing, if you are not trusting whom you are following, your approach is going to be half-hearted, and you will definitely be drowned. Okay, and we all know the story of Arjun and Dronacharya. So what do you see? He just says bird's eye, not even bird. So unfortunately here, we have our students, some very few students, who look at other birds, other birds' eyes, other birds' feathers, other bird colors. So your teacher is telling you something to do, obey. Obedience is not slavery, my friend. You're not being a slave by being obedient to your parent. You're not being a slave by being obedient to your master, to your boss or your leader or manager. I mean, they are in that position because the Lord God sent them there, or the leader or the master of the organization has saw something in them and that person has positioned them there. So Obedience is not slavery. So just obey what your teacher is saying, instructor is saying, wherever you are following, wherever you are studying. Okay. People love iLead because of their own reasons. Okay. And thanks for all their love and respect to me and my team. Okay. Fine. I hope I clarified that, Alex. Okay. Okay. Chinmay Kumar Reddy. Hi, good evening, sir. My name is Chinmay, second year degree studying. Okay, zero knowledge in taxation. Can I start EA? Absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely. Okay. So you please WhatsApp that number, or you have our toll-free number also, 1-800-572-9626. Okay. So you can call our office also, or you can just WhatsApp that number. Okay. The team will get in touch with you after this live. Okay. If you are 18 plus, you can definitely start up in my. Okay. So do I need to complete 3 papers of EA to be hired in Big Four, or even if I clear 1 paper? Okay, good question, right? Okay. See, students who are watching me also now. I have students who have completed 1 paper also, who have not completed 1 paper also. I don't want to say that, but I want to say that because of COVID, there were no exams last year. So people completed training, they completed theory, they completed practicals, and they got hired. But the company knows. The interviewer knows his skills. This fellow is talking about F-bar FATCA, he's talking about 5471, 5472, he's telling about the line items on a partnership return. He knows what is Schedule K1, M1, M2, M3, it's going like a rocket. And that software training and all, OJT, you have your on-job training. So any company, they'll put them on training for 2 weeks or max 1 month. So obviously, once the person has completed the training, boss really does not care whether he's a EA or not. But when you're working for a CPA firm or a Big Four, your billing hours will change. People who don't like me sharing this, I'm sorry. But your billing hours will change if you are enrolled agent. The billing hours that your company is submitting to their client, that will change if you are an enrolled agent, if you are a CPA or an attorney, keeps changing. Okay. So if you are an enrolled agent, it is good for you, it is good for your company. Okay, because you become licensed. But if you just need a job and you're financially not that strong, to invest into EA and RTP, so do step by step, go step by step. Okay. But yes, you definitely get jobs. And for those who cannot take entire course EA plus RTP, what I would suggest is go for EA theory, EA practicals. EA individual theory, EA individual practical, 1 combo. Then EA business theory, business practical, another combo. And finally you take EA representation. Okay. So this will also help. Okay, please. Okay, what is the special offer for existing students? Okay, what special offer you want, Virender? Okay, so if you are an existing student, just talk to your enrollment and placement advisor. They will only guide you, on what is the special offer that is available. Okay. Okay, Aditya Sen. Okay, sir, I have passed all 3 papers of EA on 18th of this month. Thanks to you and iLead team for the support. I've sent my marks to you on WhatsApp just now. Okay, please save my number as Aditya Shetty. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, nice. Thank you. Okay. Oh, it's such a joy. I feel so happy when students pass and then they message. Yeah, thank you. Hearty, congratulations. God bless you. Yeah. Nice. Okay, so I'm in live. I cannot reply much now, Aditya, but thank you very much. Such a joy to see you pass all the 3 parts. Oh, part 3, part 1, part 2. Very nice. Very good. God bless you. Yeah, I'll definitely save your number. Thank you very much. Please let me or my team know whether it's from KM or your enrollment advisor. And please respect. When there is no respect, just like trust, respect is also very important. So people put status about respect and all. Okay. Follow that, give that. Okay. People will remain with you. People walk out and there is no respect. Please respect. So when your enrollment advisors also call you, they're not some salespeople, trying to tell you about some course or sell you some product. Okay? They are talking to you about your career. So be polite, be kind. This is for any industry. You may receive, calls about MBA training also, or from CPA training, or for anything. They are not selling you some insurance policies. They are not selling you some car insurance, or asking you to invest into a company or something like that. So this is something wherein people are teaching you about a career. They're counseling you about career. They're counseling you about the job opportunities, about the business opportunities, about the freelance opportunities. You must have known about CPE, right? You must have seen in our status and all. You can work as a consultant, you can work as a practitioner, or you can work as an employee. Okay, so when our person, enrollment and placement advisor, is giving you a call, I command respect. I command respect for my people. Okay, so please be kind, and if you do not wish to get any communication from our end, please tell them politely not to contact you again. And if they are trying to reach you through any other media, please let me know. Please WhatsApp me directly, and I'll ensure that you will not be bugged. Let's respect it. Yeah. Because that respect will also establish trust. Yeah. We can love somebody, but if there's no respect and trust, that love is fake. The same goes with us also. I want you to respect our people. Okay, fine. Ati, congratulations, Aditya. Ati. Hi. Maria. I have experience in accounting field and I want to change my career to EA. Will my experience count, or do I need to join as fresher after RTP? Sima, if you are already working in accounting field, if you are joining a CPA firm, let's say, or any tax firm wherein accounting is also done. Now you have so many companies, who outsource work from CPA firms and then they give it to their team. So when something like this is happening, you are already experienced. You are already somebody who is experienced in Tally, QuickBooks and all. If you know Tally, if you are working in accounting, QuickBooks is a cakewalk for you. So it means that you also know QuickBooks, okay? And now you are just getting some tax certification in US tax law from US government, that is Internal Revenue Service, Department of Treasury. So I don't think you should be considered a fresher. And see, our words make our world. Okay, so you should not foremost consider yourself as a fresher when you are already working in accounting. Okay, how many of you know what is under that iLead? I mean, you see that iLead के नीचे क्या है? Type that somewhere. iLead tax. What is tax? What is tax? Tax accounting expert. You are a tax accounting expert. Any company without doing accounts, how will you arrive at the tax statement? If you are an employee, yeah, you get your Form 16 in India, of course, W2 or 1099 in the USA. But if you are a business owner without doing accounting, how are you going to prepare that person's tax? So you're not a fresher, Maria. You're not a fresher. Okay? So get that right. So it depends on how you communicate, how you tell about yourself. Okay, Ishak. Sir, if we want to become EA, RTP is important to become EA, or we should write all the 3 papers? See, writing the examination has got nothing to do with RTP, Ishak. Okay? पहले आप पढ़ना शुरू करिए. Start preparing for your EA. I mean, let's say you complete part 1 if you are not in employment, or if you can devote, if you are somebody who can watch 3 hours movie a stretch once in a week. People like me go to movies twice a week. That's a different story. So I think some days you can devote 3 hours just for this. Okay, so complete your theory and then get into RTP. That will be good. So like what some people have mentioned, at the start of the session, it will also help you apply your theoretical knowledge to practice. It will be good for you. Acha rahega. Okay, so you need not wait until all the 3 papers you pass and all. So that is not needed. Okay. Do we get any certificate after completing RTP training from iLead? Okay, yeah, you will definitely get. Wow, good. It's 1 hour plus and then 350 people are watching us. Very nice. Yeah. Should we complete all 3 papers and then attempt RTP? Then will we get any training certificate for completing? Yes, you will get, as I said, you will get training certificate for completing RTP. Yes. Okay, you will be given the training links and all. As I said, it is going to be online only. The class links will be shared to you. It will be recorded. Every step-by-step instruction, like peeling off a banana, it will be told to you. And in case you need any assistance while you are installing the Drake tax software or something like that, the team will always be there to guide you and counsel you. Okay? And yes, once you successfully complete the training, you can pass certain tests and then get the iLead certified real-time preparer. So we call it as iLead certified. Let's call it as tax. Okay, iLead certified tax return preparer. So training will be for both CCH and Drake. Yes, as of now we are starting off with Drake. Okay, and for CCH we will let you know. Most likely it will start in November or so. Okay, but this month we want to start off with Drake and it may go up to November. So in December you can expect for CCH. Okay. Next. Can FPC students do US RTP? No. Bike riding? I won't say bike. See, car riding and then riding a boat. Driving a car and then riding a boat, both are different. Okay, so FPC is different. Okay, so that is for payroll process. Okay, but EA is for US tax process. Okay, so if you are somebody in US payroll, I don't recommend RTP for you. It is only for people who are in US taxation. Okay, so can FPC students do USA tax RTP? No. Okay, any combo offers? Joel. Okay, see, it's Diwali time. I think you can definitely check with your enrollment advisors if there are any combo offers that is being made available to you. Okay, so I already have a bad name that I support students too much. So next, internship opportunities available for Hyderabad students. Yes. If you have completed your EA and RTP, you can apply. Not only Hyderabad students, anybody can apply as long as you are willing to relocate to Hyderabad. Yes, you can definitely apply for internship opportunity. If you have completed your EA training and then RTP training, not necessarily that you have to be EA. So get in touch with your enrollment advisor and get this done. Okay. Earning opportunities, I think I have told you 5 to 6 lakhs is the starting salary that's being offered for a fresher. If you are experienced, you can definitely expect more. What is the difference between RTP and internship? Very good. Internship versus RTP. See, RTP, real-time practical training, is something that is we teach you, you study at your own. Okay, I mean you study at your end, and any doubts and all we clarify. But internship is something wherein you have been trained how to prepare tax returns, and then you work with us during the tax season in iLead Tax LLC to prepare the tax returns. That's what is internship. Okay, so for internship, we request you to be here in Hyderabad. Okay. I hope that clarifies. So what about those who have already done RTP course? Will they get chance to take real-time tax certification test? Yes. So up to 1 year it will be valid for you. So you can always get the new class links also. Okay, and update yourself and apply for that real-time thing. What are the placement opportunities for RTP certified? Can I join in? See, placement opportunities, I think I have told you. I have not seen any of our EAs unemployed. Okay, making it a public statement. I have not seen any of our enrolled agents unemployed. Okay, max is 30 days or 45 days. Maybe COVID times 2 months, 3 months. But now they're just getting hired like that. If you are somebody who has studied real time and you're good. I give age analysis here: average, good, and excellent. We do page also. Poor, average, good, and excellent. So we do page analysis for every candidate. If you are at least good or at least average, I think you will definitely get a job. But ऐसा नहीं है कि you enroll and then we get you 50,000 का salary दे दो मुझे. No, it's not like that. Money can buy books, not knowledge, right? So you have to put your effort. Yeah, what is the difference between EA and EA plus RTP? I think I covered this in question number 7. Okay, but still, EA is good, but EA with RTP is very good. Okay, because you have theory plus practical knowledge. So I definitely support EA plus RTP, real-time preparation. Oh, okay. Does this help housewives? Yes, ma'am. Definitely, because I spoke about freelancing or consulting opportunities earlier, so it will definitely help. Okay. Yeah, it does definitely help. Yeah. Any loan facilities? Yes, get in touch with our team. See, many people think that it is expensive, that this and all. Nothing wrong, I was looking at people, creating so much hype for iPhone 14 Pro Max and all that. Okay, nothing wrong. I mean, if you can afford, why not buy it? Okay, but see, if you want to eat fruit, you have to first sow seed. These are not quotations. This is the law of nature. This is the law of nature. If you want to eat a fruit, you have to sow a seed. Sir, hybrid and all, okay, eat at your own risk. Okay, so you have to invest. If you want profit, if you want a return, where do you get a return? You get return only on your investment. So without investing, how? Okay, so but yeah, take that little pain. That is worth it, and earn it. If you are doing internship, especially at iLead, we give stipend also. That may help you cover up your fees and all. So if you have the passion, if you have the talent, I think we can definitely support you. Case studies, yes, we do offer case studies, Virendra, because we also do the tax returns. So whatever are our live tax returns, some of the tax returns, we change the name, numbers and all the security information, and then we give it to the students. Okay, good job, Ravi. थैंक यू अब्दुल, थैंक यू। आप पास होना उसी में हमारी खुशी है यार। हमारे तारीफ से ज्यादा आपकी तरक्की मुझे बहुत मायने रखती है। I care about your success more than your love and respect for me. So I want you to be more, make your parents proud and make us also feel proud about you. God bless you. Okay. Would you be please little audible loudly? Am I not loudly? Am I not allowed? Is my voice not loud? God bless. Okay. थोड़ा आप भी वॉल्यूम बढ़ा लेना. I think. Okay. Am I audible? Yeah. Okay. Fine. Fine. Sir, how long is EA license valid? Do I need to renew every time or lifetime valid? Please. See, you have this CP, continuing professional education. So every 3 years, you have to ensure that you complete at least 72 hours of training. Okay. So it's like 16 to 24 hours every year. So that will be taken care of. Next. Welcome. Yeah, previous RTP students, you get it for 1 full year. Okay, so get that. Okay, any information can you share about study now, pay later? Okay, good question. See, about study now, pay later, there is a bond that you may have to sign for 1 year. Okay, so the company will invest into your EA and RTP. Yeah, EA and RTP, you have to work with company for 1 year. And after that, you can continue with company or look for other opportunities, or we will only help you get placed elsewhere. Okay? But you have to be with us for 1 year, okay? Because we are investing into you. Okay. For more information on that, you can just WhatsApp me, or you can get in touch with our enrollment advisors. They will guide you. Are there any part-time opportunities to learn EA in real time? I didn't get this, ma. What is part-time opportunity? Yeah, we have something called as hourly rate of pay. Okay, so if you are somebody from a different company who is already working in US taxation, we already have many people like that. So if you are already working in USA taxation, then and you want to work with us, share your knowledge, we honor you with hourly rate of pay. Okay, so let's say your salary is 1,60,000 per month. You just divide it by 160 hours. 160 hours. So it means per hour your pay, it is like 10,000. So that's how it is going to be. So whatever is your hourly rate of pay, that will be paid to you. Okay, your gross pay divided by 160, that is your hourly rate of pay. So based on that, the number of hours that you invest into iLead, that is what you will be paid. Okay. Demo classes available? Yeah, you can just ask the enrollment advisors. They will share you the demo class links. Yeah, you can. I think you were contacted, but you wanted only in particular segment, Gautam. I think Rahman from my team has contacted you. So yeah. See, we can only offer what we have. Okay, so if you are looking for any special case studies, special areas and all, we cannot offer you unless it is available. Okay. Yeah. EA and ERPA, yes, enrollment retirement plan advisor. So this is for those people who will be doing the retirement planning, working in 401k, retirement planning and all. Okay, so we don't do ERPA, we just do EA, okay, US taxation. Internship without RTP is possible? I'm not sure. Please share your CV, because if you have any other experience and if the team feels that they can groom you, we can explore that. Okay. think I told you that. See, it is like this. If you have completed training, let's say, okay, if you have completed your EA Part 1 training and Part 1 real-time training also, you can expect at least 25 to 30,000 per month. That is very minimum. That's the least that you can expect. And if you can take up some additional responsibilities, additional verticals, I'm talking only about one paper training, not passing, one paper training. If you have completed EA Part 1 training and then Part 1 practical training, you can expect 25 to 30 and work as a US tax preparer in any decent company. And with every paper that you pass, so 30,000 for paper 1, next 40,000 once you pass paper 2, 50,000 once you pass paper 3 and become enrolled agent. That's how I have put here in my company, so that the interns get a chance to pass and then earn also. Okay. And anyways, once you pass EA, you get straight 50,000. That's minimum. Okay, how iLead is different in RTP training from other academies? I don't know what are the other academies that offer training like us, in RTP especially. So I cannot comment on that. But people say iLead is the best. Okay, so I just wish you good luck. I mean, a simple, live session or enlightening session, on RTP is so detailed, with 200 plus watchers. You can definitely understand how the classes will be. And please take a look at our demo classes also. Visit our iLead Tax LLC also. You will get to see. The news channels have applauded us. Newspapers have appreciated our work. The team does a commendable job. Yeah. Okay, I think I've fairly covered, almost all the questions. Okay. So if you are looking forward to enroll, you can get in touch, with our team. I think, the contact details are mentioned here, or you can just visit our website at iLeadTaxAcademy.in also. If you are looking to purchase it online also, you can just go and purchase it online and then WhatsApp me, or you can just call our number and the team will be happy to help you. I think most of you, you have the contact details in the description, so check our description and I think we are good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's session. It was very informative for me also, to brush up all our knowledge and all. Okay, I think we covered some 25 plus only. Okay, so just to give you a quick snapshot, these are the things that you will be learning. Okay, individual tax return, tax return. Okay, so this will definitely help. Chali, fine. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much for your time. Okay, so I look forward to see you as an enrolled agent with real-time preparation, training, knowledge, and of course QuickBooks. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye. Love you all.